Now everything is fine, guys.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, everything is fine.
Okay, so then what we will do it now? Again, we will open the property, right? Application dot property. Which one I'm opening now? This one is no microservices. We don't need. We don't need what config server. So config server, right? This is the config server. Okay. Now close
Yeah.
all. It's creating the confusion. So config server, right? This one is the config server. Open this one. Open the property. And this is what? This is the property, and this is the folder. Inside this one also we created one property, right? Where we are storing what? Where we are storing what? External keys, a common key. Come on.
Common properties.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
now open that what application. We need to give what? The location of what? This property. We need to give what? Location of what? This property, right? So for that purpose also one key is there. What is the key? What is the key? Spring dot cloud cloud.config cloud.config dot dot native server dot native add label location. What is that? Add.
Level location.
Label location.
No, I think it's wrong. I think this one now. I'm forgetting what is that key are. Spring Cloud, not a label. Native. I think search is there, right? Native. Any search is there here? Yeah, search location is there,
Yeah,
right?
Ravi. Last one.
Yeah, search
Check.
location, right? Search location is there, right? So here what we will write? Class path, class path, class path, then colon, backslash. This is backslash or forward slash? Come on, forward slash.
Forward slash. Ravi.
And we will give this folder name. What is the folder name? My data, na?
My data. Yeah.
Yeah. My data, right? My
Yeah.
data. Now forward slash. That's it. We don't need to give the property. We need to give this much only, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Now what we will do it now? Let's run our application and we will see that what is that. We will get what in this time. We will get what? Sandeep on the screen. What we will get here? Sandeep we will get. Clear? Now
Yeah, Ravi.
now I'm running the application now, guys. Okay, so first which one we will run? Eureka server, right?
Eureka server. Yeah, Ravi.
Yes. Right click, run our Eureka server. Eureka server is running now. Okay, good. So next which one we will run?
Config server.
Config
Config
server.
server.
After then we will run our what? Microservices. Now come to browser, just refresh it, right? I'm refreshing. Don't worry, it will come. No, it will not come because we are not given what up. We given what another this property. Open this property config server
Sir,
app, right? This one
change application name, sir. Bring that up config.
Here we will change this one, right? Application. Hey, why this one is not coming? Property is not coming. Why this one is not working? 1 minute. This one, it will work. Eureka server, just refresh it. No instances is running, showing any fail. 1 minute. Observe the console, guys. Okay. Yeah, this application is failed now. Why this one is failing? Okay. Yes. We need to add this property also, right? Because we added what actuator property also, na? Come on.
Yeah,
So-
manage.
Yeah, we need to add this one also. Now, can it?
Management development points.
Yes. Our next discussion is actuator only. We will understand about this key. Okay. So, okay. First, which one we will run now? Eureka server. Now I'm running. Okay. Eureka server is up. Second, which one?
Config server.
Config
Config
server.
server.
Config server.
Next, which one? Microservices. Now, still the application is running now. Again, this title. Okay. Saying that
Value of the title.
scope target employee. Oh, this one is giving the problem. TITLE. Or microservices is giving the problem now? No issue. Okay, so yeah, it will give the problem because the problem is there in our what native, right? So because the data is not able to fetch because of that one is not running. Okay, no issue. So close all because this one will create the confusion. Eureka server. First we will run what? Eureka server. Okay, no, let's not run directly. Let's run our what? Let's run Eureka server also first. Run Eureka server. Run this one also. Yeah, both is running now, na? Six. Okay, so come to browser, it will give right. Property data is not loading. Why? Profiles. Okay, we activated it. The data is also there, right? Something problem is there, guys. Okay, config. Okay, because see the profiles is working right in the proper, so everything is null, and the profile resource is not loading. That's it, right? No issue. We will do the experiment on that. Why this one is not working?
Is Spring config that location one property is there, right? Why you use that one?
Yes. So this is the right old one. We just this is the right. This is our property. Main property is this one only. So which one you are saying?
Config that location was there, right? I don't remember exact one. Spring config that location.
Mm-hmm.
I used it long back. Whether we use it here in this case.
Location for the external purpose we are using, right? But
Yeah.
we are using in the same application, right? So because of that we are using what? Locations only, right? Locations. One minute. Which one you are saying? Spring dot
Spring dot config dot location something will come. Config dot
cloud dot
location will come.
config dot
Server native location.
server dot native, right? Native
Label location.
search label location, right? This one you're talking about, this one.
Rather than cloud, directly one thing will come. Spring dot config dot location. That one I was asking.
1 minute. Which one? Spring dot.
Spring dot config dot location was there, right? Okay. We can read the description of that one. Dot location.
Yeah, config location, Ravi. Sixth one.
Can we read that description of that one? The purpose for that location.
Yes, config file location used in addition to the default, right?
One more thing is there. Config dot location also there.
Down is there.
1 minute. This one only will work. Okay, one. This is the true and false, right? It's showing. 1 minute. I will open in this resources, right? Resource code. 1 minute. So this is the location. Now open this location. Set a search location, right? Okay. Open. Read it. Read it. Flag to determine whether label location should be added. Okay. Flag to determine how to handle exception during decryption. Location search configuration file default to the same as Spring Boot as a class path config file. Yeah, it's correct, right? We are using correct,
Yeah,
right?
it's correct. Then as per description, it's correct. Can you copy that complete file path, C drive something will come, right? Like users, that one users path. Some number of backslashes should be more like 2, 3. We should come in Windows, something like that. Are we missing anything like that?
CLA class CLA WSPATH spelling also correct, right? We given this location. Spelling is APPLICATION .PROPERTIES. Spelling also correct. Spelling is correct.
That my data before by one backslash is there, right? That is fine. Class after colon one backslash is there, right? Is it fine?
No, I think just 1 minute. We need to add a dot class file. Let's see that. Okay, now in this time, let's run our config server. Right click. It's running. No. Right click. Run Spring Boot application. Port number is 9999. Okay, path is nothing is saying. Active, native also active now. See, boss, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Native is
Yes, Ravi.
active means it's working perfectly, right? Something is wrong is there. Wait 1 minute. 1 minute.
I think path, Ravi.
Hmm? Something missing is there, guys. Okay, so what is the missing? This key giving us problem, right?
Otherwise, use the spring dot config location, Ravi.
Hmm? 1 minute.
Instead of this key, we can use the spring dot config location.
Okay, let's see that. Okay, that one also. Which one is spring dot config location, right?
Yeah, Ravi.
This one you are talking?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So let's see that. Class path colon slash my data, right? Correct.
Yeah.
And come here,
Yes, yes, sir.
title, right? Okay. Title, fine. No, yaar, I think let's clean our application, guys, one time, right? Oh, so
Earlier one itself, that property itself it should work, Ravi. Whatever you have tried, right? Search locations, that itself should work.
yes, because I used that property so many times, right? So because 1 minute, let's do one thing. So okay, so
Can you remove that backslash given at front of that folder? Just one trial will give.
spring dot cloud dot spring dot cloud dot
Config,
config
cloud dot config dot
server
server
dot
native
Native search
Native
location.
location. search.
native dot
config dot server dot native
search
dot
location.
search location.
Yes, this one, right? So
Yeah.
class path,
Path colon and directly give my data backslash rather than before giving
no,
my
this is
backslash at front of my data.
this is the folder. If I give directly class path, right, then it will start to searching on this folder only, and this one will not found, right? So we need to give what instruction, like how the series src main resource is there, right? Forward main, forward resource, same like this folder is there where now.
Yeah, main resources under that we have my data.
Do one things, right? I'm doing one thing. So right
Yeah,
click,
just
new,
to
1
remove
minute,
that
1 minute,
backslash
1 minute.
before my data and give my data on.
My data app, right? Finish. Delete this one. One minute, guys. Okay. So my data, we will check that one also. My data app, right? Hey, at that time we are giving this slash. Come on, 1 minute. I'll check it.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
Ravi.
gave both.
We
Yeah,
gave.
we gave
Yes,
at
sir.
the end also.
You have given, Ravi.
Okay. Native, right? Native search, right?
Yes.
Yeah, search location.
Search location. So
Class path.
//
My data app.
Data.
okay. right? So now let's run one more time, then we will check like that also.
Oh, okay, Ravi.
Yeah, update project Ravi. So
Oh,
update
yes,
project
yes,
and start the all service.
yes. First, let's clean it, right? Clean the project.
Sir, my data app,
Yes, yaar. Kaise problem is there? Nothing more than else, guys. Okay. See, this data is coming, guys.
Yeah, Ravi.
Actually, you know, the
Yes.
kaise problem, our application was at that time also good. But
Yeah.
the thing is, kaise problem is there, right? Just actually check your once the like if you are doing this in the same application, right? If you are doing the practical in the same application, like we previously we implemented external configure, suddenly we are changed, right, the property. Because of that, the reason we are getting, see, the same key only working, right? Here nothing we changed, right? Even just only folder name we changed, that's it, right? And what we are same only we are using, right? Come on, yeah,
Yes, Ravi.
right?
Yeah,
yes, Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
That was
see
a question. Yes,
mm,
Ravi.
patience need, guys. Okay, patience need. Okay, so now see, nothing we did, right? Just what we are doing now, just we clean the project and just what we update the project and we are running again, and we are getting the result now. See this, right? Come on.
Yeah, Ravi.
So
Yeah, Ravi.
now in this time,
Ravi.
what we will do it now? Now first, let's stop this one, right? Let's stop this one. Now first run our Eureka server. Right click, Spring Boot application. Now run our what? Eureka server. Now run our what? Spring Cloud microservices. Every application is running now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now refresh Eureka. Employee we got, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Click it.
Yeah, Ravi.
Now just change here. Employee data, hit it. We are getting the Sandeep result or not, guys?
yeah,
Yes,
it's
Ravi.
Now it's working perfect, right?
Yes, Ravi.
It's perfect.
Hmm.
Yes,
Perfectly
Ravi.
working.
So
Perfectly
Perfectly
working.
working.
okay, so same like, guys. Okay, same like. So now I'm stopping the application, all application I'm stopping again. Okay, now open our native application, sorry, config server. Now I'm opening the properties here, the specific application property. Now if you want to give this location in what, just what I'm going now, I'm copying this one, this folder, copy this folder and give in the project anywhere, right? I'm pasting this one. See, I pasted, right? And I'm deleting here. This one I'm deleting now. I deleted right from the resources, but still the same folder is there in where now? In my project folder, right? See this? In this project
Yes,
folder,
sir.
my data is there now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Inside the
Ravi.
project.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So if the same things is there in our what folder, then what we will do it now?
Also run because class path is there.
So now just what we will do it now? No, it will not run, right? So we will. I'm also forgetting, yeah. 1 minute. I will remind it. Give me some time. I forget it. How we can give. Then in the same key, right? In the same key, what we will do it?
That file path you are saying.
Hmm?
You have to give complete observable path.
We will give what? Just we will give what here? Dot
Class path.
slash, right? Dot slash, what is that? My data
Data.
app. My data app, right? Clear? Just we will put
Yeah,
what?
Ravi.
Dot will represent current project.
Current. Yes, Ravi.
Current,
Current
yeah.
project.
Current
Current
project. Inside that current project, forward slash will give what is the in the current project. One folder is there. What is that? My data folder is there, right? My data app folder is there. Inside that what? One property is there where we wrote what? Common what? Common key. Just execute that one, right? Clear? Clear,
Yes,
guys?
Ravi.
Yes,
Now
Ravi.
what I'm doing now, just in this time I'm changing it. Anybody can give the name. Let's take Sudhir name. Sudhir name, right? Because I think he's becoming dull now in the session today. He's not I'm not getting that vibes from him, right? Active vibe. So application dot property is there, right? So now what I'm going to do now, right click, run the same application again. First what, let's clean the project, right? Let's clean the project, otherwise again the problem will come.
Yeah, cache problem will come.
Right click, update the project, force update. Yes, now right click, run our project. Now come here, just refresh. Hey, still Sudhir is getting, we are getting now, why? It's running or not? We changed, right?
We changed to Sudhir only, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
we
It's correct,
changed.
Ravi.
Yeah, we changed.
Yeah, then that's fine. Yeah.
Sudhir only we are getting? Yeah, we are getting Sudhir only. Yeah, correct, correct. We changed the
Yeah.
Sudhir. Yeah, so this one is working now, guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, now good. Another one, right? Another one. What I'm doing now, same, right? Let's stop the application. This folder I'm copying now, guys. Okay, I'm copying this folder, and what I'm doing now, just I'm pasting this folder inside that what? Inside that our local drive, right? So here only I'm pasting now. right? Just I'm opening this one, and what I'm doing now, I'm copying this location. Copy this location, right? So next, what we will do it now, open the property. Just delete, no, okay, let's open this property, and what we will do it now here, what we will do it now, write the file after then,
file path. Yeah.
yes, colon, this is a, after then what, right? Clear? Now
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes.
delete this one, and come inside this folder, open this property again, and here let's give what, Pushpendra name. Pendra, right? Pushpendra, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Hey, what is this? Open the notepad, right? Open, I'm opening notepad. Oh, yeah, Pushpendra is there, perfect. Okay, so now come in our application again. I deleted na here from that folder, right click,
Yes, Ravi, deleted.
Yes, we
update,
have deleted already.
yeah, update the project. Clean the project. Yes, now let's run our application. Now refresh it. Now see this, still it's working or not, guys? Pushpendra, we are getting or not? Come on, yaar.
Yeah,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now every possibility I shown to you people.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, we-
So now we done, right? We completed which one, which area also, right? This one also done, guys. Okay, this one also done.
Native server.
This one also
Ravi,
done.
what if we change the
Sorry.
Ravi, if we
Yes.
change the value after running, if we change the value, then it will reflect or not?
Which one?
In
It's
native
like a
server also,
refresh
like
chance scenario.
Yeah, refresh. You're talking about that refresh, right?
yes, Ravi. After
Yes, yes.
changing the value,
Yeah, it will work. Same like water. Same like this one also will work. How we are using that what our git at the time git na, same things we need to do here also.
with the Postman client also.
Yes, Postman client also need here also.
Okay.
Do that same things to do that, right? Again, I'm not going to explain that one, right? So practice yourself only, because one time I used in the git, right? Same things we will do the here also, right? So
Okay,
okay,
Ravi.
okay, so now actuator admin. So now let's again understand the same things only, right? Previously in the git repository, right, when we are using that microservices, what we are doing now, just assume that this is our microservices, this is config server, and what, this is our what, git repository, right? Git repository, come on. In the git repository,
Yes, Ravi.
in the git repository, what we are doing now, we are placing one what, key, right? Key, sorry, property. We are placing in inside that what, application property, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Application property. And what is that config server also having what, config server also having what? One common property, right? One property. Config server also having what? One property, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So this one, but this config server property having what? Location of what? This property having what? Location, right? Location. Yellow C. Low C. Location of what? Location of what? This Git. This is the external configuration we are implementing, right? This is the way to implementing what? External configuration. And this is the microservices. Our microservices having also what? Property. Property, right? This is what? External implementation we given, right? Like this we are giving the external implementation, but here what we are doing now, the same things, same application, just same in the same application. What we did, just copy paste. Space is not there, huh? One minute, let's do here. Okay. Yes. So in the native configuration, what we are doing now, all those like in the native configuration, we are writing that folder, right? We are writing that folder, and we are implementing the things inside that config server only, right? Config server only. So here what we are doing now, here only, whenever we are implementing our native config, right? Native config, that property we are writing inside this one only, right? In the native config only.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
App dot property, using which key now? Using which key? Like these two key we are using, right? These two key we are using, right? Spring dot what? Proper profile, right? Profile dot active equal to native, right?
Native.
Native.
Yes,
And another one we are using
Yes,
what?
Ravi.
Spring dot cloud dot config dot server dot native server dot native
Search location.
search
Server
location.
hyphen location.
Search location.
Locations.
Locations, right? Locations. And
Yeah.
here we are giving, right? Here we are giving. So
Last part.
yes, so in this time, what is that? Here in the location, what we are giving now? Native we are giving, right? Native. So it's going to native property, right? Using which property, which key now? Using this key we are implementing, right? Like this now, come on.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
And previously what we are doing
Yes.
now, in the location we are giving the git location, but here in this time in the config server only we are giving what? The location of what? Native property, right? Clear? I hope the
Yes, Ravi.
people are confident in the like what? Config server, external and local
Ravi.
both.
Yes.
External and local both.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now how is the session now, guys?
Fantastic, Ravi.
Going good, Ravi.
Very interesting also.
Yes, guys. So next topic is what? Actuator, guys. Okay, actuator, and this one is a big topic. So let's take this topic in the next weekend, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Let's meet in the next weekend and we will complete actuator, because a full weekend need, right? Saturday, Sunday need to complete what? Actuator, because this is the big concept, guys, right?
Okay, Ravi.
So just
Ravi, how can we get these videos, Ravi? How can we get these videos, Ravi? Last Saturday and Sunday.
yeah.